standpipes. This is stair one, I believe. Yeah, stair one. This standpipe goes from the first floor all the way up to the penthouse, and each floor has each landing has a riser where you can, with a water flow and a tamper switch. The placards, this is already all done by the sprinkler contractor, everything like that, but there's a placard per floor and per zone. So this will be fourth floor area B, also known as zone number 4.3. So if this water flow were to go off, it'll report as one of those descriptions right there.
Mm-hmm.
You said this is first to the penthouse?
Yeah, the standpipe goes from the first to the penthouse, and every elevator landing has a branch off standpipe that comes off of it with its own water flow and tamper switch on
And
it.
then you can talk a little bit about this right here.
So this right here, this device here, or sorry for you, Justin, it's the same. This device here, this is the fire alarm device that monitors both the water flow and the tamper. So if one of these were to activate, if somebody were to come close that valve, it's going to send a signal to this module here, which then would send a signal down to the fire panel and go through its thing. If it's water flow, it's going to set off the fire alarm activation, go through that process. If it's a supervisory coming from the tamper switch, it's just going to report a supervisory, what tamper switch, what stairwell, what standpipe is coming off of.
Okay.
So,
Now I see these valves here and then some smaller ones here. Which of these get valve tags?
I don't know. That'd be a good question for your sprinkler contractor and the
Okay.
sprinkler training.
Okay. And then any for the, I guess, fire devices and things in here, what's the maintenance look like on
So
these?
the maintenance on these, depending on what were to happen, there could be an open ground short, something like that. So you would come in here. The panel is going to tell you what device, what module, and what riser it's coming off of. So you would then come and check the water flow, check your wiring, resistance, everything like that, and just go through that.
And what are they numbered differently?
Yeah, so this one would be like zone 6.1, which is penthouse area B. So that one would report it that way. And then zone 4.3, level 4 area B.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, let's go to the penthouse.
Yeah.